Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to see who viewed your TikTok profile, and all we have to do is to launch our TikTok application, and then from here we are going to tap on our profile at the top right corner, and then we are going to tap on the footprints icon just before the settings icon. And from here, this is where you're going to be able to see the people who have viewed your TikTok profiles. And we should notice that only the people who have turned on the profile view history will be shown, and the people that have viewed our TikTok profile in the past 30 days are the ones that we're going to be able to see. As you can see, I do not have any at this page, but in the case that you do have, you're going to see them here. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.